Hi everybody, it's Katie from Cater's Acres, and do you know what time of year it is? It's the time of year to get ready for the Polymer Clay Challenge. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get together and let's plan for 2021. It's going to be a great year, I just know it. So grab a cup of coffee and sit tight with me, and let's talk all about the Polymer Clay Challenge. Okay guys, so like all of you, 2020 was a doozy of a year, but you know what? It's going to be better this year for each and for every one of us. So let's talk about the Polymer Clay Challenge. What is it? The Polymer Clay Challenge is first and foremost for you. It's absolutely 100% free. It's a way for you to get involved with your polymer clay and to create 52 new and creative things a year. You get to pick what you want to create and just have some fun. That's all it is. On my website, I have created a worksheet for you to discover what you might want to create. I've also created a fill-in guide to let you create along the way with check boxes so that you know when you've completed your week. And I've also done for you a 2021 calendar with each week of the month marked for you so you know what week is what and where you're at on your challenge. This is a self-motivational challenge. That means you motivate yourself. There's no themes. You create your own. So if you want to create a dragon a week, a character a week, a piece of jewelry a week, a pair of earrings a week, if you want to go through all those tutorials that you've purchased and never done yet, this is your year. You create your challenge and you hop right on board and get started. The best part of this challenge is that after 1 year, you'll get to see where you started and where you ended up. You can create anything you want. Create one item a week. If you're truly inspired, you can create more than that. There's no limit to where this challenge will take you. All that we ask is that you take your item that you finish, post it on the wall here in the group with the hashtag 2021 PC Challenge and the week number. Unlike previous years, we're not going to have a folder for you to put all of your finished polymer clay work in. Sometimes those photos get lost and not everybody can see your work. So this year, just take your photo and put it right here on the wall in the Facebook group. This way, everybody can see your work. However, you must be sure to include the week number on your post, either in the graphic itself or in the text for your completed item. Please remember, the Polymer Clay Challenge is not a show and tell group. It is only for the items that you have completed for this challenge. Don't forget to come over to catersacres.com and to get all your free downloads. There's 3, and while you're there, if you need some supplies, be sure to check out our shop. There's lots of supplies that can help you on your way to the challenge. And if you live in the continental US, just fill up your cart because everything ships for just $4. I truly hope that you enjoy the Polymer Clay Challenge this year. It's always an adventure, an exploration in your talent, in your art, and in your dedication to polymer clay. Join us, have some fun, get to know yourself, explore, experience, make new friends along the way. I can't wait to join you once again in this fantastic challenge. I'll see you soon. Sculpt your dreams. Bye. Blah, blah, blah. Coffee break.